In this video, I will show you how to install the 6-switch retrofit. Installation step: prepare setup, open switchboard and identify the wiring, connect the device. Step 1: prepare setup. Tools that you will be required: screwdriver, tester, pilers. Identify the switchboard that you want to automate. Here is our 6-switch retrofit model. I will now begin the installation into the switchboard. Make sure to turn off the MCB before starting the installation process. Don't miss this step. Open the switchboard carefully and identify the wiring. I have now opened the switchboard. The red wire indicates the phase wire, the black color is the neutral, and the blue wire indicates the load. The green wire indicates the earth. Step 2: connect the device. I am now going to install the device into the switchboard. On the device, you will find P labeled for phase, N labeled for neutral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the load terminals. Now I am going to install the device. Connect the P terminal of the device to the phase wire in the switchboard. Then connect the neutral terminal to the neutral wire. After that, disconnect the load wires from the switchboard and connect them to the respective load terminals on the device. First, I will connect the device neutral wire to the switchboard neutral wire. Now I have successfully installed. After that, I am going to remove the respective load wires from the switchboard and connect them to the corresponding load terminals on the device. I have now successfully removed the load wire and connected them to the device. On the device, you will find virtual wire that need to be connected to the switchboard load terminals. Please follow the color coding of the virtual switches to correctly place each wire in the corresponding load section of the switchboard. I have now successfully connected the virtual wire to their respective terminals according to the color codings. Now I am connecting the device phase wire to the switchboard phase wire. With that, the installation process is completed. Now carefully place the device behind the switchboard.